All right, guys, we're back in Bond's kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be making Italian Crusted Tilapia, a super healthy meal. It's going to be moderate fat, low carb, high protein, and pretty low calorie. So it's absolutely delicious. Anybody who's on healthy nutritional lifestyle will appreciate this meal. As you can see right here on my trusty board here, these are what we're going to need to make this, okay? 2 tilapia fillets, which I'm going to be making for the whole family, so I'm going to be making a lot more than that. But this is your serving size, 2 tilapia fillets. We got a half cup of Parmesan. I have an Italian cheese blend, actually, I'm going to be using. Breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of parsley and oregano. You're going to be a total of 517 calories for this entire meal, 45 grams of protein, so it's high on the protein, 30 grams of fat, which is going to be coming from the fish and probably the olive oil, and only 14 grams of carbs. So let's get started on this. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And I've got my mixing bowl here. First thing we're going to do is the breadcrumbs into the mixture. I'm actually going to be using this has been working really well. It's absolutely delicious. It's like shake and bake, but it's the Meyer brand, so it's a lot less expensive. And you're only looking at around 35 calories. There are a bunch of servings in the container, but you're not going to be using this whole entire thing for your fish either. So it's not too bad on the calories and the carbs and stuff. But we're going to put an entire packet in here. This is going to cover for all the fish that I'm making for my whole family. So there's our shake and bake breadcrumb mixture here. Next thing we're going to add in is the olive oil. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of olive oil. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. I'm just using the Pompeian organic extra virgin olive oil. It's a little on the less expensive side when I'm making like meals like this and stuff. I'm going to be doing 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I use the thing, it's 100% pure. If I don't have actual lemons here, that's just what I use. We're going to do 3 of these in here. Like so. Doing 2 teaspoons of paprika. Two of those. One teaspoon of black pepper. Like so. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of a parsley. And I'm going to do an oregano mixture all together in this. A little mixture of both. Like so. If I had fresh parsley right now, I would use fresh parsley, but I do not have that. So. Then we're going to do a half cup of this Italian cheese blend. It's mozzarella, provolone, Asiago, Parmesan, Romano, and Fontina. Approximately half cup in there. Like so. And we're just going to mix this all up. And this is what we're going to lay the fish in and coat each side with. This mixture is gold. It is amazing. You won't believe how delicious this recipe is once this is done. And now we'll get the fish. And here's my tilapia fillets here. They're very nice. Nice size fillets. We're just gonna dip these in here. Like so. Coat that on both sides. You should get a nice little coating on there. Okay, now this is them all coated. And this is going to go in the oven. And we're going to put this in here for approximately 20 minutes. And I'll be telling Alexa, put me a timer on for 20 minutes.
Good evening, Sean. 20 minutes, starting now.
And then that'll go in there. And I'll see you back here. I'll see you back here with the finished product once this is done. Okay, guys, we've got about 1 minute left on the oven timer before the fish comes out. But I want to show you this. I'm also making a side of broccoli, but I want to show you how you can spice up your broccoli, and it tastes amazing. And there's 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 everything in it. This is your movie theater butter and salt. These are these kernel seasonings for popcorn. I have nacho cheddar. I have this one. There's ranch. There's all different kinds of these. Sprinkle these on your broccoli. There's my serving of broccoli. We take this and we just sprinkle this on like so. And this is the way to spruce up your broccoli so you don't hate eating it. And it tastes amazing. Like I said, you can look at this right here. 0 across the board on everything. There is some sodium, but that's it. No added fat or anything to your broccoli. I'm going to put the fish on the plate here as soon as this pops out. Okay, guys, now here is the final product. The 2 pieces of tilapia with the broccoli. I'm not going to add any extra calories really to the broccoli. It's minute. What you saw in the beginning of the video, all the macros on it. So, and this is what we'll be eating. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This one we'll be doing a lot more is this healthy nutritional lifestyle and making different meals, whether it's drinks, alcohol, whatever it might be that fits into a healthy nutritional lifestyle where you can have fun, be fit, happy, healthy, keep grinding it out, the whole 9 yards. That's what we're going to be doing here. And then also we'll be doing workouts in the gym as well. Like I said, the channel is all about transparency and showing you exactly what we do in real life. There's no sugarcoating things or smoke and mirrors. And that's it. Just, being fit, but also living a happy life at the same time, not being miserable. Till next time, guys, stay happy, healthy, keep grinding it out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.